Let's step beyond memorizing the code and understand the core concepts of programming. Being a programmer is more than memorizing syntaxes. It's about grasping concepts, being creative, and inventing new solutions. Many struggles with learning programming because they rush into coding without a solid understanding of the underlying principles. We tackle this challenge by prioritizing a deep comprehension to programming fundamentals before diving into syntax. And we have identified a common problem, that is learning complex programming structures and concepts with coding alone. And we came up with a solution, that is visual representation. We believe that seeing concepts in action helps bridge the gap between theory and practical applications. While C++ is a powerful yet complex programming language, adhering to the principle, with great power comes great responsibility. Errors like memory leaks and dangling pointers can be disastrous. That's why understanding them correctly is crucial, as misconception can lead to considering C++ as the worst programming language. To help you navigate these complexities, we simplify difficult concepts such as pointers and memory management using visuals for easy comprehension. Additionally, we introduce you to C++ new features such as smart pointers, which can be very helpful in avoiding these common pitfalls. Additionally, our accessible PDFs and Visual Studio files empower you to explore course contents collaboratively. Whether reviewing topics or diving into new ones, these resources make learning simple and enjoyable. C++ has evolved to C++ 11 and now C++ 20, revolutionizing the coding practices. In this course, we focus on C++ 20, highlighting its latest features such as modules, the spaceship operator, and formatting capabilities. Now let's talk about another topic, practical. We know that understanding concepts is essential, but using them practically is just as vital. That's why we offer hands-on projects guiding you in creating a desktop application similar to Microsoft Excel and building a video game from scratch. These projects extend beyond syntax, introducing you C++ library usage, including C++ standard library, its algorithms and data structures, Derime GUI, and the Rail engine. 5. Integration. They provide a real-world application for your C++ knowledge. While C++ 23 looms on the horizon, our focus remains on C++ 24 now. Rest assured, as the language evolves, so will our course. We are committed to keeping you updated with the latest advancement in programming world. Join us on this journey through C++ 20, where complex concepts become clear and programming becomes a creative adventure. Let's explore the realm of C++ together.